Alright people, this is BG, and we're going to show you how to get rid of wasp. Somehow a wasp got inside my door, so I'm going to show you how we kill it. We use soapy water and everything. So I'm about to come get this soapy water as I walk backwards. It's right here. Alright, I'm about to go over towards here. Find out where it is. I can hear it. Oh, it's in the air. Oh, it's in the air.
It's a bumblebee?
I think so. I thought it was a wasp. It's in the air. Do it. Oh, it's a little wasp thing. I got it.
A bumblebee?
Eric, oh no, it's not. It's a little wasp thing. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Look people. I'm getting it. It's right here, people. I got you. So what the soapy water does is hold up. It suffocates the wasp. Well, it can't breathe because the way it breathes through its skin. All right. So that's how you can kill wasps. Soapy water. It was in our house. I heard it. I was on the toilet and I heard something buzzing. And that was it was. I hope y'all got to see it. We'll see it on the replay though. But so that's how you kill wasps. Soapy water. Alright, it suffocates them and everything. So K Bella's not feeling too good, so she's in the bed. So yep.
It's a natural way with no chemicals.
It's a natural way with no chemicals to kill these bugs. That died kind of fast though. But yeah.
It shouldn't have been in here.
Nah, I shouldn't have been in here. Look at that. Yeah. Usually they sit there and shake and bake. I wonder if they found a way on the inside.